Hey kiddos, we have some brand new special sounds to learn today. 2 brand new special sounds to learn today. And when we go to the board, we're going to review some of the other special sounds we have already learned. But first we're gonna go over our new ones. Are you ready? This is one of my favorites. I like this special sound. And I just like it because I like the way it sounds. I like saying it. Maybe you're gonna like it too. Are you ready to learn? Okay. So this is a special sound that we really gotta memorize because it has nothing to do with the way the letter sounds, okay? This is letter C, and C says k, k, k. And this is letter H, and H says but this does not say k. That is not what this says. Are you ready to learn what this says? Are you sure? Are you positive? This, the letter C with letter H together, makes a special sound that says ch. Can you say it with me? Ch. It's as if you're about to sneeze. Pretend you're about to sneeze. You say ch, ch. In church, ch, ch, church. And in the word church, we actually hear this special sound twice. Ch in the beginning and ch in the end. Church. So can you say it with me? Ch, ch, ch. See, isn't it kind of fun saying it? I think this one's a fun one to say. I like saying this one and I like saying sh in ship. These are my 2 favorites. Okay, so are you ready? Can you say it with me? Ch in church. Again. Ch in church. One more time. Ch in church. Just you now. And again. One more time. And now with me. In church. Awesome. But I said there's 2 special sounds. We're going to learn the other one. Are you ready? Okay. So yesterday we learned AR. And AR says R. Today we're learning OR. And OR says or. Or. Can you say it with me? Or. Or in morning. Again. Or in morning. One more time. Or in morning. This one's a little bit easier because it kind of makes sense. The sound of these letters make sense for this special sound. Or in morning. With me one more time. Or in morning. Now just you. Again. One more time. And with me. Or in morning. Ch in church. Or in morning. Ch in church. Or in morning. Ch in church. Or in morning. Let's go to the board. So in the board, we're going to have some review today, and we're also going to see the brand new ones that we just learned. Okay. So remember, we are circling special sounds, and we are marking the vowels. Are you ready? Okay. Let's look at the first word. Ooh, what special sound is this? What do I need to circle? Oh, not just TH. There's another one there. What else? THR. Yes, perfect. And what does THR say? Thur. Very good. And what does it say? Thur. Awesome. What else I need to do here? Put a line on the first one. Very good, because there's 2 vowels. The first one says its name. When it says its name, it's the same as its long sound, and long goes with a line. Perfect. And what else we do? We cross the other one out because it's silent. Shh. Perfect. What else? Let's look at the next one. Another 3-letter special sound. So what do I need to circle? STR. Very good. And STR says stir. What does it say? Stir. Very good. And what else do we do? 2 vowels again. Yes, it is. So we put a line on the first one, and we cross the other one out. Perfect. Are you ready for the next one? Let's go. What do we do in the next one? Yes, we circle SK because it's a special sound that says sk. Perfect. And what else? We also circle Y because it's another special sound that says I. Awesome. So this word is made out of two special sounds. Very, very good. Let's keep going. Let's keep moving. What do we do here? Yes, SC is a special sound, but not in this word because in this word there's an extra letter. It's a 3-letter special sound. Yes, SCR, which says skr. Perfect. And what else do we do? Oh my goodness, 2 vowels again. Yes, line on the first, cross the second one out. Awesome. Let's keep going. Let's look at this word now. Ooh, let's move things over a little bit. Okay. What do we do here? Yes, we circle SN because it's a special sound that says SN. SN. Perfect. What else? A smile? It's not two vowels anymore. No, just one now. And when there's one vowel in the word, it usually says it's short sound and gets a smile. Yes, so we put a smile on top of I. And we keep on moving right along. Oh, you already saw this special sound in another word. So what do we circle? Yes, SCR. We already saw this one, and SCR says skr. Skr. Perfect. And what else? Yes, we put a line on top of A. And we cross out the E. Awesome job. Let's keep going. What do I do in this word? I circle A and R. And you remembered? You didn't tell me to put a smile on top of the A. Good job. Yes, we circle AR because it's a special sound that says R. Amazing job remembering. What about the next one? Perfect. You do the same exact thing. Circle AR because it's a special sound that says R. Awesome job. Let's look at this word. What are we doing in this word? Yes, it's the new one we learned. CH. We circle CH because it's a new special sound that we just learned today. And it says ch. What does it say? Ch. Yes, awesome job. What else do we do? Smile on E because it's just one vowel. And what else? Yes, we circle CK because it's another special sound that says k. Very good. Ch. Can't confuse these two, okay? CH says ch. CK says k. Very good. Now let's look at this word. What do we do here? No, we don't put a smile. Because it is just one vowel, but there's another letter next to it that makes it a special sound. So what do we do? Yes, we circle OR because OR is a special sound that says or in morning. Very good. Let's keep going. What are we doing this one? Yes, a smile on you because it's just one vowel. And what else? And we circle CH because it's a special sound that says ch. Very good. Let's keep going. Let me tell you, you gotta pay attention with this one. Gotta pay attention. What do we do? Yes, we do not put a smile. We do not put a line because it's a special sound. So we gotta circle OR special sound that says or in morning. And we can just cross the other one out because we're not going to hear it anyway. Okay? But there's no line on top of O. We got to circle it. Circle O-R because it's a special sound. And let's keep going. What are we doing this one? Circle S-T. Perfect. Because it's a special sound that says st. Very good. And what else do we do? Do we put a smile on O? No, silly Mrs. Montero. How come it'll put a smile on O? Because there's an R next to it, which makes it a special sound. Very good. And last but not least, what are we doing this word? Yes, we circle CH. Special sound that says ch. Very good. What else? A line on top of A because there's two vowels. And we cross out I because it's silent. Very good. And now it's time to read. So let's read. Are you ready to read with me? Are you sure? I want to hear you nice and loud. Unless there's somebody sleeping. Then you gotta say it nice and quiet. But you're still saying it. Okay? I want to hear you. Are you ready? E3. Stir. A stray. Stray. Strain. Sk. I. Sky. Skirt. E. Scree. Scree. Screen. Sn. E. Snip. 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 Skr. A. Scrape. 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 R. Mar. Mark. Mark. R. Far. Far. Farm. Ch. E. Check. 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 K. Or. Core. Core. Corn. Much. Much. Or. Whore. Horse. St. Or. Store. Store. Storm. Ch. A. Chain. Chain. Now without sounding it out, are you ready? Are you sure? Are you positive? Okay, let's go. 3. Strain. Sky. Screen. Snip. Scrape. Mark. Farm. Check. Corn. Much. Horse. Storm. Chain. Awesome job today, kiddos.